We got a rain game today. Greens are going to be soft. Let's see how low we can shoot. Fortunate break this hole. There's power lines running across the fairway, and on my first and second drive, I plowed it straight into the power lines and it just knocked it straight down and OB. So not really too much we can do about that hole, just very unfortunate luck. All right, we just got a chip in birdie after that very unfortunate luck of hitting the power line twice. So just got to stay positive and good things will happen.